everyone, this is Janice and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with y'all how to grow and maintain long and healthy nails. So I wanted to grow long nails but school doesn't allow that. So what better time than this lockdown could I get? And many of y'all will want to. So I made this video and this is my almost 4-month nail growth. I like them a lot. I love them actually. To be honest with y'all, nail growth mostly depends on your genetics. If you had good nail genetics, then you automatically have good nails. But it's not 100% though. So some people have like breakage problems and like some of their nails don't grow. And there are some maintenance things that you can do to help it grow, which I use in my nail care routine. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notifications, share this video, and after the video is over, comment what you felt about it and give me some new suggestions. Here's my Instagram ID, you can follow me there. So let's go!
So I removed my nail polish but the clip of it got deleted by mistake. So here for my little nail kit I'm going to remove the nail cleaner and take out all the dirt that's there. You should do this very often because in long nails things can get stuck. So here I'm going to clean it using my old toothbrush and a little bit of toothpaste and gently scrub it well to remove all the yellowness and the dirt. And rinse it off. So for my kit again I'm going to be taking the cuticle pusher to push my cuticles from the nails because it really helps the nails grow. So keep doing this often. So here I'm taking the clear coat and applying this is very important because it helps the nails not to break and it gives it a stronger support. So I'm done applying the coat on both the hands. So I'm filing my nails using a nail filer. Actually my nails are already pretty filed, so I've done it roughly. Give them whatever shape you like. Done. So here I'm using castor oil. Castor oil really helps with the growth of nails. So apply it before you go to bed. Give it a nice massage. It will really help stimulate the growth of the nails. So my nail art video will be coming up soon, so stay tuned.
So thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope it was helpful and meet you in another video. Bye!